When we bought this house, we knew that there would be a lot of stuff left behind that we would need to get rid of immediately. A clean slate was crucial to starting out the project, and we couldn't salvage very much of it because of the dirtiness of the environment. We just had to get rid of it. So we spent a couple days kind of consolidating and moving things around, and then we hired a junk removal team to come on in and help us actually get it from there to the dump. Now, this took a lot of work to get us to stage one. We piled things up, we went through hundreds of bags. There were couches, everything. Rad Junk Removal was our team, and they were amazing. They sent out 3 guys, plus me. The 4 of us worked all day, literally. We spent 9 hours, so 27 man hours, filling their 1,000 cubic foot trailer 5 times. Now, Americans can't do anything with the metric system, so we calculated out 2.77 common swimming pools full of stuff.
And here is the garage. So you remember what it looked like? Boom. Boom. Ka-chow! And while I still need to hold my nose, you lucky bastard, this is just video, you can't smell shit. Shoo-show! Shabow! Empty. Ugh.